Some things are fun, some things are neat, but some things, oh no, they're not so sweet. Let's learn what not to do. Zoe feels a tickle. Achoo, what a sound. Uh-oh, her sneeze went everywhere. Let's dive into the world of germs. Germs are tiny organisms that can cause illness. They are so small you need a microscope to see them. But not all germs are bad. Some germs are good for us. For example, some help us digest food. Others fight harmful bacteria. Fascinating, right? So, while we should be cautious, not all germs are enemies. Stay curious and keep learning. Let's talk about staying safe from bad germs. Wash your hands with soap and water, especially before eating and after using the restroom. Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough to prevent spreading germs. These habits keep everyone healthy. Stay safe and clean. Let's sprinkle in some fun facts about good germs. Not all germs are bad. Probiotics are good bacteria that help us digest food. Some bacteria make delicious foods like yogurt and cheese. Remember, good germs help keep us healthy. Isn't that fascinating? Cover up! So germs don't spread again.